Good morning. It's already 7 o'clock.
Oh no, why didn't the alarm wake me up?
It did. You just ignored it.
Oh, what's for breakfast today?
Toast and eggs. Please eat fast.
Okay, I'll leave on time today.
Hurry up, kids. The school bus will come soon.
Mom, where's my socks?
Check near your bed. Please finish your breakfast. After that, pack your school bag.
Okay, Mom, I'm doing it.
Everyone ready?
Yes, Dad!
Let's go, we're getting late. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Hey, good to see you.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning. How was your day yesterday?
It was good, thanks. Let's check this report once again.
Sure, I think we need to update this part.
Good idea. Can you finish this by today?
Yes, sir. I'll do my best.
Let me know if you need help.
Could you help me with this file?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much. Let me explain today's plan.
That sounds clear.
Good job, everyone.
Hello, this is Darren speaking. Can you send the details today? Yes, I'll mail you by evening. I need to finish this today.
Don't worry, you can do it.
Yes, almost done.
Finally done.
Email sent.
Great work. Welcome back.
It was a long day.
Dinner is ready.
Dad, how was your office? It was busy, but good.
Let's eat together.
Dad, I don't understand this.
Don't worry, I'll explain. Good job, both of you.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
I have a day off tomorrow.
Our school is closed. I have nothing to do tomorrow.
Oh, the alarm is ringing. What time is it?
Wake up, it's morning. It's already 7:30.
Oh no, I'm getting late.
Please get ready fast. You're always late.
I know. Good morning.
Good morning. Breakfast is almost ready.
Smells nice.
Eat properly.
Yes, I'm eating.
Can I have more milk?
Get ready. We're going shopping.
Let me check the list. Hey, piggies. Everyone ready? Yes, let's go.
We're ready! Look at that big building!
Sit properly.
We'll reach soon.
Take a trolley.
Okay.
Wow, so big! Can we buy chips?
Not now. We need vegetables.
Help me carry this.
Please buy this toy.
Not today.
Maybe next time.
That's all?
Yes, thank you. Keep the bags properly.
Carry this bag.
Okay, Dad.
Good job. Wear your cap.
Take your water bottle.
Let's go!
The park looks nice.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Go and play.
Push me!
Okay.
Be careful!
They look happy.
Yes, fresh air is good. Eat slowly.
I'm hungry.
Drink some water.
I'm tired. Time to go home.
Hold my hand.
Have some water.
Thank you.
Take some rest. It's homework time.
Okay, Mom.
Finish it first. Sit properly.
I'm ready.
Read this line.
Okay.
Good.
Well done.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, it's fun. It's fine. Finish neatly.
Almost done.
Good job.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Thank you. It was a nice day.
Yes, very good.
I'm sleepy.